How to see followers list on Phantom Wallet 2025. In this video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be quickly showing you on how you can see your followers list on your Phantom Wallet. So to do this for yourself, what you're going to be doing is you're going to come over to your Phantom Wallet right over here. And once we're over here, what you're going to want to do is you are simply going to go over ahead to your account right here. And what you're going to do is you're going to go over to your settings. Now, once you come over to your settings, if you have followers in your profile, what you can do is you're going to click up here on your account. And once you do that, right about here, it's going to tell you how many followers you have, and you can actually check who your followers are. Now, currently, I don't have any followers to show you, but if I did, they would appear down here. And one other way that you can see how your followers work is if someone follows you, it will give you a proper indication right here by showing the number of followers you have. So that is basically how you can see your followers list on Phantom Wallet in 2025. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.